Skin feel film versus ordinary film, can you feel the difference? Visible and clearly felt difference. Skin feel film, silky smooth like skin, soft and effortless. Ordinary film, rough and dry, with obvious resistance. The skin feel film is flexible and adheres well, remaining smooth and flawless even after repeated bending. Skin feel film is compatible with various devices, printing smoothly without lag, meeting high-end customization needs. Best results when used together with dedicated skin feel powder. Colors are vivid and expressive, with natural gradient transitions. Now, entering the heat pressing stage. Skin feel film, closely bonded, edges smooth and snug, no bubbles, perfectly fused. The skin feel film feels light and delicate, with no foreign sensation, offering a comfortable and premium wearing experience. Ordinary film feels stiff and rough, lacking a soft and skin-friendly touch. The finished skin feel film product is delicate and smooth, truly delivering a skin-like experience. Choose skin feel film and enjoy an extraordinary natural and skin-friendly touch.